Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into how to accept ACH payments online in 2025. If you're running a business or freelancing, accepting ACH payments can streamline your transactions, reduce fees compared to credit cards, and make things super efficient. ACH, or Automated Clearinghouse, is basically a secure electronic network for bank-to-bank transfers in the US. With updates in 2025, like enhanced security protocols and faster processing times, it's easier than ever to get started. First things first, why should you bother with ACH? Well, it's cost-effective, transactions are often cheaper than cards, and it's direct, meaning less risk of chargebacks. Plus, with the rise of digital payments, 2025 brings new integrations that make it seamless for online businesses. Let's break it down step by step. Step 1. Choose a reliable payment processor. Options like Stripe, PayPal, or Square now support ACH with updated 2025 features, such as instant verification. Look for one that fits your business size and offers good customer support. Step 2. Sign up and verify your account. You'll need to provide your business details, bank information, and possibly undergo identity verification to comply with new 2025 regulations aimed at preventing fraud. Step 3. Integrate ACH into your platform. If you have a website, use APIs from your processor to add ACH as a payment option. For example, embed a simple form where customers can enter their bank details securely. Step 4. Test and go live. Always run test transactions to ensure everything works smoothly. Remember, security is key. Enable features like tokenization to protect sensitive data. Once you're set up, you'll enjoy benefits like quicker settlements and better cash flow. If you're new to this, start small and scale up. By 2025, with advancements in AI-driven fraud detection, accepting ACH will be even safer. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more business tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Let's make 2025 your year for smart payments. See you next time.